hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I will be very grateful if you guys open your camera, if possible. Okay. Hi, Sia. Okay.
Hello.
So I hope you all must be aware of today's topic. If not, I will be giving you a brief on this first, and then we will begin with our individual session. And after that, we will have the counter session at the end, as usual. Okay. So now I'm going to give you all a brief about today's topic, that is COVID and decreasing pollution due to lockdown. Since we all are staying at home, so it's obvious that somehow the level of pollution has decreased as comparison to before. And I believe that this is very beneficial for us. Like we know there are so many of the diseases which are caused due to the pollution. If I talk about the ambient air pollution, then it accounts for an estimated 4.2 million deaths per year due to the diseases like stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic respiratory system. Okay, so but now the international team of researchers has found that the level of nitrogen has reduced considerably after the lockdown. So you can see that since the lockdown has started, the level of pollution has decreased. So that's all from my side. Now I'm going to start from the individual session. So you all have to be on camera mode while speaking. I can see Kritika and Rishita have joined for the first time, I think. This is your first session, guys? Okay. Okay, so you
Yes.
have to be on camera mode while speaking. Okay, and at the end, we will have the counter session. Like if you want to ask any question to anyone or anyone likes to ask any question to you. Okay,
Yes.
so let's begin with the session. First, I would like to call Nidhi.
Hello, am I visible?
Yes, Nidhi, you are visible and audible too.
So, hello everyone. So, everyone is aware of the topic COVID and decreasing pollution due to lockdown. As we all know, COVID is a dan- COVID is a dangerous disease. Uh, जिसके लिए हमें लॉकडाउन हमारे गवर्नमेंट को लॉकडाउन प्रोसीजर अपनाना पड़ा जिससे हमारी सिचुएशन थोड़ी बेटर हो सके बट फॉर दिस टॉपिक लाइक एक सर्टेन क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में सीधे ये आता है डिक्रीज ऑफ पोल्यूशन बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है लाइक एयर इज वेरी क्लीनर नाउ ब्रीदेबल नाउ especially in Delhi. I'm from Delhi, so I can just like we can like हम देख सकते हैं ये चीज आंखों में इन्फेक्शंस हो जाता था पहले बट अब चीजें थोड़ी बेटर है बट इट इज आई थिंक इट इज वेरी डेंजरस फॉर फ्यूचर तो
Okay,
अभी जो
continue, Nidhi.
चीजें हम चीजें यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर कोविड रिकवरी वो चीजें जो बाहर डस्टबिन में जा रही है जो भी है बट ये जल्दी रिसाइकल नहीं हो सकती and for sure it will create a lot of pollution because decomposing is important for us क्योंकि नहीं तो इन्फेक्शन ये फैल सकता है नहीं तो ये डिजीज और ज्यादा फैल सकती है डिकम्पोजिंग इसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है एंड मे बी शायद गवर्नमेंट इस चीज के लिए भी रहेगी कि हाँ इस चीज को हम कैसे मिटाएं इस चीज को कैसे डिकम्पोज करा जाए क्योंकि ये एक स्टेट का नहीं है ना ही एक कंट्री का है इट्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड सो ये बहुत बड़ा चीज एक बन सकता है आगे जाके एंड इट्स अ वेरी डेंजरस फॉर फ्यूचर सो दैट्स माय अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन कि क्या आपको भी ये लगता है कि ये डेंजरस है या नहीं है थैंक यू
Yes, obviously, Nidhi, it's very dangerous. And I would say because of this lockdown, the air pollution, if I talk about, has reduced very much in comparison to before, as I've said earlier. So anything else you would like to say, Nidhi?
No, that's all. It's only not about air pollution. It's also
Yeah.
water pollution also, and वी कैन से मतलब लाइक हमें दिख भी सकता है ये चीज, हमें ये चीज फील भी हो सकता है, तो दैट्स ऑल.
Okay, very well said, Nidhi. That was really nice. And if you want to ask any question, you can ask it at the end of the session. Okay, so let's move on to Rohit. Rohit,
Am I
am I
audible?
audible? Yes, yes, completely audible and visible.
Yeah, so today's topic deals with the decreasing level of pollution in the COVID times, especially during the lockdowns. And of course, addressing the concerns rising due to the increasing level of pollutions is indeed the need of the hour. And it's refreshing that the lockdown has helped reduce the amount of pollution which is being contaminating our environment for centuries. And that exactly is the point. It's been there for centuries, and we can't expect it to go away with a year of lockdown. Let's be honest here, it's not even a year of lockdown. Nowadays it's back to normal. The air is being polluted again, the waters are being back to what they were. Yes, there were initial reports of cleaner water and air during the first few days of lockdown, but that has not been sustained. And I think that's where we are doing wrong. We should, in fact, take lessons of what the pandemic has taught us, of what the lockdown has taught us, and try to make a better future out of it. I don't know how, if you ask me, because it's literally impossible in such a fast transforming world that we have to take the environment into consideration. But that is the hard fact. And that's what governments all across the world has been working to for the past few decades. And it has shown a way due to the pandemic when every government was forced to shut down their economies. So it has been proven that radical steps can help in decreasing pollution, but how we can sustain such radical steps in the long term, it's not for me to say. It's rather for intense research and developments to prove how we can make it a sustainable model, and try to protect the environment in the future. So I guess that not a year of lockdown can help anything. We should do this. We should maintain the same efforts for the future, for the world to be a better place to live in, at least a place to live in, no, let alone a better place, a place to live in for future generations. If that's not the case, maybe Earth will be breathing its last in the coming few years or decades. So that's what I have to say. Thank you.
That was really good, Rohit, and a very thorough research, I must say, and you have presented very well. We will love to ask you questions at the end. Thank you for now, Rohit. Okay, so after Rohit, let's move on to Alpana. Alpana, please open your camera and unmute yourself.
Yeah. Am I visible and
Okay,
audible?
Alpana. Yes, both.
Okay. So my friend Nidhi has raised one question about biomedical waste. तो हम सब जानते हैं कि पोल्यूशन कम हुआ है, लेकिन सिर्फ एयर पोल्यूशन कम हुआ है, मेरा ये मानना है, क्योंकि वाटर पोल्यूशन वही है और सॉइल पोल्यूशन भी इंक्रीज ही हुआ है, वाटर पोल्यूशन भी इंक्रीज हुआ है. हम सबने कुछ दिन पहले न्यूज सुनी थी कि डेड बॉडीज वर फ्लोटिंग इन गंगा रिवर एंड ड्यू टू द इंक्रीज्ड डेथ रेट सॉइल पोल्यूशन भी इंक्रीज हुआ है, क्योंकि बिना सैनिटाइज किए और बिना मतलब पीपी किट्स में बॉडीज को वो किया जा रहा है. आई डोंट वांट टू से दिस, बट आई वांट टू फोकस ऑन बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट. इंक्रीज हुआ है, ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीज हुआ है, और आज का हमारा टॉपिक डिक्रीजिंग पोल्यूशन पे है. सो आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ वी कैन डिक्रीज द बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट. तो हम सब जानते हैं कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से और जो सिचुएशन क्रिएट हुई है उसकी वजह से पीपी किट और मास्क का, ग्लव्स का कितना वेस्ट जनरेट हो चुका है और कितने रेट पे जनरेट हुआ है. लाइक एक मंथ में इंडिया में, सिर्फ इंडिया में एक मंथ में 129 बिलियन डिस्पोजेबल मास्क जनरेट होते हैं एज अ वेस्ट. और इसको अगर हम देखें तो पर मिनट 3 मिलियन डिस्पोजेबल मास्क. कैन यू बिलीव इट? कितना ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ मास्क. और हम अननोइंगली इन सब चीजों को यूज भी कर रहे हैं कि इनका एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट पीपी किट, ग्लव और मास्क का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट प्लास्टिक से बना होता है. एंड यू नो प्लास्टिक कितना पोल्यूशन कॉज करता है. इधर इट कुड बी एयर, वाटर एंड लाइक सॉइल. कितना ज्यादा पोल्यूशन जनरेट करता है. और जनवरी 2021 से आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट 2019, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जनवरी 2021, तब से अब तक सिर्फ कोविड से रिलेटेड वेस्ट, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी अदर बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट, किसी और कारण से हुआ हो मैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं करती, सिर्फ कोविड रिलेटेड 33,000 टन ऑफ कोविड रिलेटेड बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट की जनरेशन। कैन यू बिलीव, इतने बड़े आंकड़े हैं हमारे, हम उनको कैसे डिक्रीज करेंगे, हम उस पर बात करना चाहेंगे। पहले हम इसकी डेस्टिनी को देखते हैं, क्या बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट की क्या डेस्टिनी हो सकती है। प्रॉपर प्रोसेस होता है वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, लेकिन अगर हम नॉर्मली जनता को देखें अपने लेवल पे वो कैसे कर रही है, तो या तो वो गार्बेज बैग्स में या गार्बेज बिन्स में फेंकेगी, और वो गार्बेज बिन्स कहाँ जाते हैं, हमारे जो सफाई कर्मचारी हैं उनके पास, बिना सैनिटाइज किए उनको हाथ लगाया जाता है, तो उनके लिए ये डेंजरस है। अगर उस गार्बेज को जलाया जाए तो वो एयर पोल्यूशन कॉज करेगा, ऑब्वियसली प्लास्टिक है, एयर पोल्यूशन कॉज करेगा। अगर ये चीज नहीं होती है तो उनको सीवर लाइंस पे फेंका जाता है, वाटर पोल्यूशन कॉज करेगा। ओशन, अभी कुछ दिन पहले साइक्लोन्स आए थे, उन्होंने सारा जो वेस्ट था वो वापस दे दिया हम सबको, आप सबने देखा था बीचेस की क्या हालत थी, है ना। नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द सोल्यूशन पे बात करने से पहले आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट डॉक्टर बिनीश देसाई। डॉक्टर बिनीश देसाई इज ओनली 27 years old, और इनको इंडिया का रिसाइकल मैन भी कहा जाता है, बिकॉज ये शायद पहले इंसान होंगे जिन्होंने कचरे को पेटेंट कराया है। यू नो, लोग अपनी इन्वेंशन को पेटेंट कराते हैं, इन्होंने कचरे को पेटेंट कराया है। इनका कहना है कि नथिंग इज यूजलेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड, योर वेस्ट कैन बी समवन एल्सेस एसेट। नाउ आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट हिज अल्टरनेटिव। इनके पास एक अजीब सी लैब है जिससे वो कचरे पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, और इन कचरे से आज तक इन्होंने 193 इनोवेशन किए हैं। 100 तरह के वेस्ट से 193 इनोवेशन। इनमें से कुछ है मेटल और टेक्सटाइल जो इंडस्ट्री होती है उससे जो वेस्ट आता है उससे सिंडर ब्लॉक्स बनाए हैं। देन क्राफ्ट पेपर वेस्ट से इन्होंने साउंड प्रूफिंग पैनल्स जो हमारे रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियोज में यूज होते हैं वो बनाए। इन्होंने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें बनाई हैं अपने वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट से। इनको प्रॉब्लम भी पता है, सोल्यूशन भी पता है, हम अपने लेवल पे कैसे सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं इनको। सो आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एक ब्रिक बनाई थी इन्होंने, जिसका जो च्युइंगम से बनी थी। बचपन में एक बार स्कूल से घर जा रहे थे तो इनकी पैंट पे च्युइंगम लग गया था, जिसको इन्होंने पेपर से रिमूव करके एक वुडन और मतलब स्टोन के सरफेस पे रख दिया। आफ्टर सम टाइम ही चेक्ड इट, और उन्होंने देखा कि वो पत्थर की तरह हार्ड हो गया था, और उन्होंने उस चीज से एक इनोवेशन की जिसको उन्होंने ब्रेक बनाया, और उसके बारे में काफी सारी बातें भी की। उन्होंने अपने जो हमारे डिस्पोजेबल मास्क है, पीपी किट्स हैं, ग्लव्स हैं, इनसे एक अपडेटेड ब्रिक बनाई जो कि नॉर्मल ब्रिक से 4 गुना ज्यादा मजबूत है, हाफ कॉस्ट पे मिलती है, यानी कि 2.8 रुपीज एक ब्रिक। और इंडिया में यू नो हाउसिंग की कितनी प्रॉब्लम है, गवर्नमेंट ने इतनी योजनाएं लाई हैं, इतने स्टेप्स लिए हैं, बट ये एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेप हो सकता है प्रॉपर हाउसिंग की जो प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में खत्म करने के लिए। और इस ब्रिक की कंपोजिशन कुछ ऐसी है, 52% ऑफ मास्क होता है इसके अंदर, और इसका जो बेस मटेरियल होता है वो पीपी किट्स और पेपर वेस्ट से बनता है। अब इसका प्रोसेस हम कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं डॉक्टर बिनीश को इस स्टेप। जो सोसाइटीज और रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज होते हैं उनके बाहर एक पर्टिकुलर बीन लगाया जाता है विद अ गार्बेज बैग। उसके अंदर हम लोगों से कहते हैं कि जो आपके मास्क है उनकी स्ट्रिंग्स को काट कर आप उसमें डाल दीजिए। आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग 50 to 100 मास्क, आप उसको 72 आवर्स के लिए आइसोलेट कर देते हैं। देन वो आइसोलेट करने के बाद आप डॉक्टर बिनीश देसाई को, मैं आपको एड्रेस और उनकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप या फिर कहीं पे बता दूंगी, उधर आप मेल कर सकते हैं। आपको कोई क्वेरी हो तो वहाँ पे उनसे पूछ सकते हैं, हम उनको मेल कर सकते हैं, एड्रेस आई विल गिव। तो इसके बाद कैन यू थिंक इट इज अ ग्रेट, और इस गवर्नमेंट ने इस प्रोसेस के लिए कुछ गाइडलाइंस भी बताई हैं। एटलीस्ट हम पूरे वर्ल्ड का नहीं लेकिन इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं बायोमेडिकल बेस की काफी बड़े एक्सटेंट पे। मिनट, गवर्नमेंट ने आज के टाइम पे हमें 2 डिस्पोजेबल मास्क पहनने के लिए कहा है टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्फ फ्रॉम सेकंड वेव ऑफ कोविड। यानी कि इंडिया में बहुत बड़े लेवल पर मास्क का जो वेस्ट है वो जनरेट होगा और हो रहा है ऑलरेडी। आई हैव टोल्ड यू द हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, you're audible.
तो ये जो इंक्रीज वेस्ट का प्रॉब्लम है ये जरूर सॉल्व हो जाएगा अगर हम सब अपने लेवल पर डॉक्टर बिनीश देसाई को कंट्रीब्यूट करें और उनको सपोर्ट करें। और हमारे इंडिया की काफी सारी दूसरी प्रॉब्लम्स भी सॉल्व होंगी, जैसे कि हाउसिंग की प्रॉब्लम्स जो है और पुअर। I just wanted to say that. Thank you.
That was great, Alpana. Is my voice is clear? Actually, I'm facing some technical issues.
Actually, बीच में चली गई थी. Your camera was off.
Actually, I'm facing some technical issues. Okay, so Alpana, your research was amazing, and the way you always do your research, like you covered everything, the problems, solutions, and add your perspectives and views too. That's really great. So I must say that this research was amazing, and the way you presented was amazing. So thank you, Alpana. So now let's move on to Muskan. Muskan Yadav. Muskan, please open your camera and unmute yourself.
Am I audible and visible? Hello?
Yes, Muskan.
Okay, fine, I'll go then. So pollution has always been a very major concern for the environment as well as humans. And just a year ago, we were all rushing through our lives, and to be very honest, we were so much indulged in our own business world that we hardly paid any heed to environment. But then COVID happened, and due to lockdown, we finally realized how human activities are proving destructive to our nature. The skies were blue, the rivers were cleaner again, and cleaner than ever. Wildlife found their ways to the streets of the towns and what not. Sitting at our homes, we all realized the decreasing air pollution, our holy rivers Ganga and Yamuna breathing fresh air again. I myself like stargazing, and to be very honest, it was so overwhelming to see such beautiful nights filled with starlights instead of just street lights. So overall, I feel that the impact of COVID and lockdowns over our environment proved to be positive to a larger extent. And as Pankuri also mentioned, that WHO, according to WHO's prediction, around 4 million people die just because every year around 4 million people die just because they develop respiratory issues like asthma, heart diseases, strokes because of the filthy air we breathe. And that's really a big number. But it was found that during lockdown, the concentration of nitrogen dioxide, carbon, and PM2.5, which are majorly responsible for lung diseases, declined gradually as the transports and industries were shut. So along with that, people themselves realized the difference. For example, people of Jalandhar claimed that the Himalayan peaks were visible from their place. Another example we can take is of Navi Mumbai. That's a hotspot of flamingos. And this time the arrival of flamingos was a must see. So analyzing the situation, it comes out that whenever there is an economic crisis, the environment heals proportionally. Because our economy depends on fossil fuels like coals, petroleum, and when there is a less production and consumption of them, there's less pollution. So this brings us to a conclusion that it's high time we start using more effective and efficient renewable resources for energy production. As Alpana also mentioned, different ways how we can use waste products to regenerate more effective products. And that's really very helpful for the environment as well. So yes, I feel that because we cannot live in lockdown forever. And it's already, there are some places who are, which are already locked, they aren't under lockdown. So yes, things will pop up again, our economy will pop up again, and we'll start facing the situations which were back before 1 year. So I feel that we should learn something from it and create more effective ways, so that more effective ways for energy production. And yeah, that's all I have to say today. Thank you.
And that was great, Muskan. And I must say, the research you guys do is really very thorough. The way you guys cover all those points which are important to be mentioned here, you guys covered in just 2 to 3 minutes. It's really amazing and presented very well, Muskan. We will ask you the question at the end. Okay, so after Muskan, let's move on to Anushka. Anushka, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Am I visible? Hello?
No, Anushka, you are not visible. Yes, now you are visible, Anushka.
Just a minute. Hello everyone. Let's discuss about today's topic. As Alpna and my dear friend discussed about the pollution due to COVID-19. As we know, we are facing lockdown because of pandemic. We have to stay at home, or we can say we should stay at home to prevent ourselves. I'm not talking about this year because the pollution is increasing this year. But the last year we have seen that there is decrease in pollution. For example, we can take example of Ganga River. As we seen that Ganga River become more clean because there is no waste in that, and that water became drinkable. But nowadays we can see that there is lots of dead bodies in Ganga River. So we can see that Ganga become dirty. That is not that much clean that as compared to last year. As a in starting year, you told us that the nitrogen, as the many vehicles containing a harmful nitrogen oxide, which is very dangerous for us, that was also decreasing because we all are staying in home. We are not using too much vehicles. Due to this, the rate of pollution is decreasing. But as my friend told that how we can cooperate means कि जैसे कि इस साल से जैसे कि कोरोना का सेकंड स्ट्रेन आया है जो कि बहुत ज्यादा हार्मफुल है, तो WHO ने ये बोला है कि हम डबल मास्किंग करें. तो जैसे कि अल्पना ने बोला, मैंने भी इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत ट्रेंडिंग वीडियो देखी कि डॉक्टर विनीश जैसे कि जिस तरीके से वो अनब्रेकेबल ब्रिक बना रहे हैं, मीन्स जो नॉर्मल ब्रिक से भी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो जो कि अपने डिस्पोजेबल मास्क होते हैं जिससे हम वो ब्रिक को बना सकते हैं एंड अपना कंट्रीब्यूट भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि अल्पना ने ऑलरेडी शेयर कर दिया है कि हम अपना कंट्रीब्यूट कैसे कर सकते हैं कि मास्क को और पीपी किट का जो प्लास्टिक है उसको कलेक्ट करते हैं, 72 आवर्स तक आइसोलेट रखते हैं जिससे कि वो उसका जो वो क्लीन हो जाता है, फिर वो यूज करते हैं ब्रिक्स को बनाने के लिए, वो जो कि बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. तो आई कैन से दैट वी कैन give our contribution in it for this plastic, because after corona a big pandemic is waiting, which is the pollution of plastic. As we are using plastic regularly, we are using face mask, even not only single mask, we are using double mask. So this is one way that we can cooperate in this pandemic to save our country, and other ways that the pollution is decreasing as a lockdown is open somewhere, मतलब as के टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम डिफर करता है, बट लॉकडाउन खुल गया है, वो सब जगह खुल गया है, तो व्हीकल्स का भी आना जाना चालू हो गया है. तो पॉल्यूशन डिक्रीज तो अब नहीं होगा बिकॉज लॉकडाउन खुल गया है. तो हम कंट्रीब्यूट ये कर सकते हैं कि एज वी नो कि ट्रीज कितनी कम हो रही है हमारी अर्थ पे, तो हम ये कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं एटलीस्ट एक एक प्लांट हम लोग लगाएं, so we can gain oxygen from them. ये कह सकते हैं कि not daily but अपने बर्थडे पर एक एक प्लांट लगाएं, so we can increase the rate of trees. So this is from my side. Thank you.
And that was great, Anushka, and especially I like your suggestion, the last one, that we can plant trees on our birthdays. Yeah, that was great. And your whole research was very great and amazing, as always. So after Anushka, let's move on to Kritika. I think, Kritika, you must have got an idea that how to speak. Okay, Kritika.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah,
And
yes, you're audible and visible both, Kritika. All the best.
yeah. So hi, first of all, I'm new to this group, but anyway, yeah. So the topic today was COVID-19 and the pollution level. So I think pollution includes air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. So during our first lockdown, though the air pollution reduced to a greater extent, our land and water pollution increased again because of the improper disposable of masks, PPE kits, then throwing the mask in the rivers, or throwing the dead bodies in the rivers. So I think due to COVID-19, though our air pollution has reduced, the water and the land pollution has increased. So we can never say that due to COVID-19, the pollution on the whole has reduced. If you go on to particular thing, then yeah, air pollution has reduced, but the water and the land pollution has increased because of the improper disposable of masks and PP kits. So I think in this pandemic, though we have suffered a lot, but one thing we have got a hope that we can reduce pollution if we take care, if the government takes steps and we ourselves take steps. I think we can reduce pollution, not now, but slowly in the future we can reduce. So that one hope this COVID pandemic has given, though we have a lot of losses and everything. One hope is that yes, we can reduce pollution to a very good extent, not now, but in future, slowly and slowly. So talking about the second wave, as everyone here told that we are using double mask and we need to properly dispose and stuff. I think in the second wave, both our air pollution, water pollution, land pollution has increased. So even despite of lockdown, there are many people who move out and they don't look in the log like they don't follow lockdown very seriously, especially where I'm living right now. Though there is a complete lockdown where complete shops are closed, but still people move out, people throw masks on the road. So whenever I travel, I find a lot of masks on the road, so that not only it affects the pollution, it also affects the health of a lot of people who are on the road, like the homeless people or the sanitary. I have personally seen the people who pick the garbage, they pick the mask without any gloves or without any they don't have a head cap, or they don't have a gloves, or they don't have mask. So I think though there's a reduce in the pollution, there's like though we're talking about pollution, we also need to look at the hygiene of the workers working around. So I would say that this pollution, not in a direct way but indirect way, is affecting the lives of people. So like land pollution, disposing masks, PP kits, etc., it is affecting the life of sanitary workers, it's affecting the life of homeless people who are picking up the masks. So it's affecting even the health of the people. So like before this COVID pandemic and stuff, so the air pollution used to affect people, like affecting their lungs and stuff, everything like that. But now, not only due to air pollution, but due to land and water pollution also, it is affecting people. So before pandemic, it was majority of people were affected due to the air pollution, but now not only just air pollution, but it's the land and water pollution also that people are affecting. So already COVID-19 is something that has very major impact on the life of people. Apart from COVID-19, this pollution is also creating a major impact on life of lower middle class people, the people who live in the huts, the sanitary workers, etc. So according to me, the way by which we can stop this one is, like, we can create awareness among the lower middle class and the below poverty line families. Like, you should not pick like the mask that is on the road. And they can also create awareness, like the municipal corporations, they can come to big societies or gated communities, they can create awareness on how to dispose it properly. Like, you need to wrap it in a newspaper and you can dispose it off like that. So I think that way, planting trees is again one way. But other ways, like creating awareness either through social media, because social media is something everyone uses. So I think that's a great medium to inspire youngsters, who in turn will inspire other people to follow other people to make them understand like how to dispose of things and stuff. So I think these are the ways. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, that was great. And I totally agree, Kritika, that the level of water pollution is increasing. I have heard of news, like, I don't know, you all have heard about it or not, a person throwing the dead body, I think it's about Rapti River, and he was throwing the dead body of his relative, and he was COVID positive, I think. I don't exactly remember what the news was, but so you can see how careless people are nowadays.
And mostly,
So
like, the dead
yes.
bodies of COVID positive people are only in the rivers, because people are scared to touch them. They're thinking that they will get the infection. So they're literally throwing the naked bodies in the river, and that same water the lower middle class, the below poverty line families drink.
Yeah,
So
and they are not understanding that how dangerous it will be, and they are
yes,
spreading the coronavirus by that.
yes,
So the
yes.
awareness is very required, as you have said. Anyways, very well said, Kritika. And your first session was Amazing, I must say. Thank you, Kritika. Now, after Kritika, let's move on to Vidhi. Vidhi Nagpal. Vidhi, can you hear me? Oh,
Am I audible?
yes, yes.
So the major sources of pollution is basically due to power generation, industry sources, smells, vehicles, etc. And after the lockdown, there is a massive decline in the pollutions when we talk about in the usage of vehicles. But at the same time, factories and mills, they are not being shut down. Like sugar factories and mills that create a massive amount of pollution, they are not being shut down. So we can say that there might be 20% decline in the air quality, which is also proven and tested by scientists. There is stuff like when lockdown happened, schools, colleges, business, they all shut down, due to which there was again a massive decline of usage of vehicles such as buses, vans, and private vehicles, etc. The public transport too did shut down, the metros, the buses. Uh, as vibrant and as colorful India's culture is, there are so many festivals that are being celebrated, such as Diwali, which is a major reason for causing pollution and declining the air quality of our generations. Uh, Festivals such as New Year and Christmas, where people burst crackers, it also causes pollution. Even though government has put ban on crackers, but there are still sources where people do manage to get crackers, and even after lockdown, they declined further. Uh, there was also that people have to stay home and get married either at their homes with just 20 people or in courtrooms. So there was also a massive decline of crackers there as well, leading to decline in pollution. Since we are on this topic, uh, pollution did cause many diseases such as asthma, and COVID is something which the second wave has brought is respiratory problems. So it is so ironical that lockdown, even after lockdown, people can get respiratory disease even if they do not have corona due to the pollution. So it further promotes the respiratory problems. The corona is just an addition to the problems, to the pollution that causes respiratory problems. So, to make the current drops in air pollution's level permanent, it is important that people get serious and do not shift back to their bad behaviors. Yes, it was compulsory that we had to stay home, but since the lockdown has been lifted, there are people going out for fun, taking their cars to long drive. I guess these are the habits that still need to be restricted, and the reduction in air pollution have highlighted that gas powered cars are the major sources of air pollution. So what the government can do is to review their policies, expanding public transportation, building more bike lanes so there is less traffic. Also, we are reading since childhood how people do not turn off their vehicles when they are standing on traffic. So these small initiatives are such which can help us decline the air pollution, and there should be like electrical sources of energy which are cleaner than the fossil fuels. So since there is a drastic decline of nitrogen oxide, so it should be maintained out after even the lockdown has uplifted. That's it.
Wonderfully explained, Vidhi, and a very thorough research. Amazing. So we will ask you a question at the end. Thank you, Vidhi, for this wonderful speech. And now we will move on to Sia. Sia, please open your camera and unmute yourself. Okay.
Yeah. Hey everyone, myself Sia, and let's talk about COVID and the pollution. So,
Sorry to interrupt you, Sia. Your camera is off.
ma'am, I'm visible now.
No, Sia, you're not visible. Yes, now you are visible.
Okay. So, this Mother Earth really embraces the nature and the beauty of nature. Exactly. So, India was really dealing with this pollution thing from earlier, and it has really like major issues with this pollution, and even this was now on the verge of affecting people of India. So we always, as a mind, as a human mind, should really search for the reasons from which we could start things, right? Even in personal, even personal life, we are like, we'll do it from Monday, we'll do it from next week. So we always really search for the reasons, and likewise, this Mother Earth gave us the reason to start, conserving it, or else it's simple, we will be destroyed. So now this COVID, as like COVID has many consequences, many pros and cons. And talking about pros, there are few, there are less, and this was the one. Like, we got a reason to continue this thing. The pollution is decreased in, not in every sector, but especially in especially the air pollution and sound pollution has been gradually decreased in this COVID. So, talking about the reasons, the thing was only that this industrialization was on a stop, was on a pause, and obviously the transportation of people, like they are transporting things. That was on a pause. So the reason the pollution has been decreased. As we all know, India has a large contribution and has a large part in the top 10 polluted cities of the world. We even knew what happened in Delhi. Delhi was the most polluted, like in the verge of this air pollution, was the most polluted city we had. And people were really getting affected. And trust me, I have been to Delhi. In winters, you can't even see person few miles away from you. Like, that was a real condition. And like, by reports, it will be the condition after the unlockdown of the country. Me, as studying, like, I study in Mumbai, and I live in Mumbai. We all know that if we are updated with this news and all, animals are coming out. Really, that's really a beautiful, and the thing which we should embrace. It has been opposite now. We are in the cage and they are outside, because they are the real ones who deserve to be out. We are not. See, with the stop of this humanitarian activities, pollution has decreased. This Mother Earth has got relieved of many things. So can you even imagine how disgusting the human being is, and how he just pollutes the surrounding where he lives? And what he makes, he might make some development, some rockets, and he might think of the ways which will take him eventually to Mars and other planets of the solar system. And you know what is the reason he is very desperate of searching these things? He knew he's polluting this place, and now he really want to go to other planet and live there. We all knew about the global warming, greenhouse gases. We hear things and just we ignore them. This is the reason we don't have any result, like any, we don't implement things. So the reason we don't have any fruits. These things are really fruitless. Coming to this pandemic and how is affected. Pandemic has really affected in many ways, which is very vulnerable, and which is very dangerous, like the loss of lives and the loss of employment, malnutrition, everything. But this one thing has just came up, and we should really use this chance to promote the things. Government really need to take some initiatives which can carry forward this, at least this numericals, this data, this statistics. This statistics should not increase, though there is not a very gradual decrease in other sectors of pollution. But yeah, air pollution has comparatively decreased as earlier. in Navi Mumbai, like there was a news, and you people might see these pictures of flamingos, of leopards. Can you even imagine leopards and tigers coming out from the Sayadri ranges? So we should realize now ki it's okay, we had done a huge mistake of neglecting such an important thing, and we should really work on it. Only building rockets and building satellites is not the thing which is our responsibility, or which is a really desperate thing to do. But yeah, taking measures and thinking of some effective ideas to prevent this mother nature is the most important one, which you should put it on first, like your priority. Because it's very simple. If you will save them, if you will save this earth, it will carry you, it will it will take you forward. And if you will not, this the more vulnerable, the more dangerous and devastating thing will happen, and as comparatively which will be more devastating than this COVID. And that will be, can't even imagine what it will be. But yeah, for sure it will be more it will be more devastating than this COVID, because for COVID we have vaccine. And slowly we can see the effects. Many of the volcano, recently there was a volcano blast in a country, and many of earthquakes, floods. Now this is the rainy season, and oh god, you can just really imagine of Mumbai, what happens there. So these are the things which are giving you the indication to to try to control, to work on such things, or else we are the only one who will face the consequences. And people just really complain like they don't have any ideas, they don't know what to do. There is the one simple solution, and the simple thing like we can do and we should do is planting trees. That is the one step, and for go solution for every pollution decrease, environment decrease, everything. At least everyone, literate, illiterate, everyone can practice this thing. And really we should go for that. Just posting our concern status and posting the pictures of polluted areas, or blaming government, like really this is an unbelievable thing. When there was cities from India in top 10 polluted cities of the world, people really blamed government. I was like, oh god, really? Like this is what like it is the government's things to do, not your job as a citizen of the country. So just nowadays people becoming more like they are just showing their concerns, and can be a fake concern, like, oh, what will happen of India is like, this is not the thing which you should do. Really, you should be practical. Like, you should practice things, you should implement things. And if you are complaining, I don't know, and I don't know what to do and what are the methods to do, simply go and plant a tree. That at least everyone can do, literate or illiterate. There is, you will just get likes on your post on Instagram after posting your concern messages, but nothing will happen in practical. So yeah, we should really try of doing that. And planting trees. At least people, if even you're not planting, at least don't buy any wooden furniture. That will indirectly help. So we can just practice things. We really don't have to take this thing very lightly or very slightly, just we are neglecting this thing. But nowadays, like one of a girl, I don't really remember who has said pollution is indirectly affecting, but no, city pollution is directly affecting now. And which you can see in Delhi, many people are suffering from cancers and all. So this is all like after this pandemic, after this whole thing happened after Spanish flu. This was the one which happened and which we experienced. And for God's sake, we really don't want to experience such a thing in future. But we as a person, how selfish are we? We are just thinking we might live for next 50 to 60 or more to 80 years at at par. But we are not really thinking of our future generation. They really now showing in images, they really have to carry that oxygen cylinders on their back and buy oxygen at the level, at a very high cost. This will be the thing which will happen if we will not conserve our mother earth. So we should really try to be more practical and to do more things rather than just posting or just discussing or this all things. So yeah, that was it from me. Yeah, thank you.
That was great, Sia. A very thorough research. And I would say the things you explained while giving your expressions like this shows that you are from Mumbai, the world of Bollywood. That was amazing. We all just, I think all of us must love to hear from you. Okay, that was amazing, Sia, and great research, and you have presented very well. I'm really very impressed. Well done, Sia. And thank you for sharing such important points. Thank you, Sia. After Sia, let's move on to Harsh Pratap Singh.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Harsh. Please continue.
ओके मैम, सभी ने बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स कवर कर लिए पोल्यूशन को लेकर के। मैम पूरे वर्ल्ड में 235 मिलियन अस्थमा के पेशेंट्स हैं फ्रॉम 2016 टू 2020, जो डाटा मैंने देखा। और मैम जिसमें से 20 मिलियन इंडिया के हैं, 20 मिलियन इंडिया के हैं। इसका बिगेस्ट रीजन मैम पोल्यूशन है। मैम पोल्यूशन बहुत सारे डिजीजेस प्रोड्यूस करता है हमारी बॉडी में, जैसे ब्रोंकाइटिस हो गया और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। मैम जैसे शिया ने बताया कि वो दिल्ली में, मतलब दिल्ली गई थी। मैम मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ, ठीक है मैम, मैं अपनी पढ़ाई वैसे करता हूँ। मैं देखता हूँ मैम कि ठंडी के टाइम पे ना ऐसी सिचुएशन हो जाती है कि अगर कोई हमसे 2-3 मीटर की दूरी पे हम उन्हें देख भी नहीं सकते। और मैम अल्पना का पॉइंट विच वाज लाइक बहुत अमेजिंग था, वो कि मास्क वाला पॉइंट। मैम शायद हम सब मैम इतना इस कोविड की वजह से हम कोविड से डर डर के सब कोई बहुत मास्क यूज कर रहे हैं। अभी सब 2 मास्क यूज कर रहे हैं, अपने चेहरे पे लगाते हैं N95। मैम ये सारे नॉन डिकम्पोजेबल मास्क हैं, नॉन डिकम्पोजेबल मास्क मैम, जो आगे जाकर के हमें इतनी बुरी तरह से इफेक्ट करने वाले हैं। किसी ने बोला था कि रोड पे लोग मास्क फेंक देते हैं और फिर वो जो मतलब लोअर मिडिल क्लास के लोग होते हैं उन्हें पिक करते हैं, ठीक है, उठाते हैं। मैम एनिमल्स का क्या? मैम एनिमल्स का क्या? मैम एनिमल्स वो मास्क जाकर के उन्हें स्मेल करते हैं और मैम उन्हें भी तो कोविड हो सकता है। हम सबको पता है कि एनिमल्स को भी कोविड इफेक्ट कर रहा है, तो शायद फिर वो जाकर के धीरे धीरे वो चीजें फैल सकती हैं और वो हमें ही इफेक्ट करेगा कल ना कल को आकर के कहीं ना कहीं। तो हम एक चीज को ठीक करने के लिए शायद दूसरी चीज खड़ी कर रहे हैं। और मैम इसमें गवर्नमेंट को हम नहीं दोष दे सकते हैं, हर बात पे हम सरकार को नहीं ला सकते कि सरकार ने ये नहीं किया, सरकार ने वो नहीं किया। हमारा भी उतना ही इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है हर एक चीज में। शायद हमने उन्हें वहाँ पे बैठाया है जाकर के, तो हमारा भी उतना ही इन्वॉल्वमेंट है कि अगर सरकार कुछ नहीं कर रही है तो वो हम लोग करें। हमारे भी ये राइट्स हैं कि अगर वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो हम करें, हम जाकर के वो चीज पिक करें, हम जाकर के मैम लिटरली सही तरीके से उठाएं, ग्लव्स लगा करके उठाएं, मास्क उठाएं। मैम किसी ने नहीं, कोई नहीं उठाता मैम। आजकल का कोई भी एजुकेटेड अगर रोड पे कुछ पड़ा हो, किसी का मास्क पड़ा है, शायद हम डरते हैं कि कोविड हो जाएगा, क्या पता कैसा मास्क होगा, नहीं उठा सकते। बट हम बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे बैठ करके उठाना चाहिए, बट मैम उठाएगा कौन? शायद मे बी हम आने वाली आगे की जनरेशन है, हम अगर ये चीज करें कि हम खुद लोगों के सामने एग्जाम्पल बन करके जाएं और ये सारी चीजें पिक कर करके उसे डस्टबिन में डालें, तो मे बी एक राइट वे होगा करने का। और मैम मेरा तीसरा पॉइंट ये था कि मैम कोविड की वजह से लास्ट ईयर 2019 में पॉल्यूशन बहुत ज्यादा डिक्रीज हुआ था। जलंधर से धौलाधर की पहाड़ दिखने लगा था। धौलाधर इज इन हिमाचल प्रदेश, शिमला, जो कि स्नो माउंटेन। तो मैम आफ्टर 30 ईयर्स, 30 साल के बाद वहाँ के लोग वो पहाड़ देख सकते थे, जो कि 300 किलोमीटर की रेंज पे, शायद 250 से 300 किलोमीटर की रेंज पे। तो मैम पॉल्यूशन बहुत ज्यादा सही हुआ था, क्या नाम है, और गंगा का पानी बहुत ज्यादा साफ हुआ था, क्या नाम है। बट इस बार गंगा का पानी हरा हो चुका है। अभी हमने न्यूज में सबने देखा होगा, बहुत सारे लोगों ने, कि जो बनारस के नीचे जहाँ पे लोग जाकर के नहाते हैं वहाँ का पानी हरा हो चुका है, जो कि साइंटिस्ट बोल रहे हैं शायद बहुत डेंजरस बात है ये बहुत, मतलब जो कि मछलियां हो रही है उनकी डेथ हो रही है मैम इस पानी की वजह से। और मैम डेड बॉडीज के बारे में तो हम बोल ही नहीं सकते ना, कि मैम वो सारे कोविड पेशेंट्स की डेड बॉडीज है जो कि वाटर में फेंक रहे हैं, और उससे जो वाटर के एनिमल्स है वो सारे कोविड पॉजिटिव हो सकते हैं, जिसके बारे में हम शायद सोच नहीं रहे हैं। हम अभी आदमियों के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, इंसानों के बारे में सोच रहे हैं। मैम इंडिया में ना, पता है क्या, नेचर को ना बहुत लीस्ट इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाती है। हम शायद नेचर के बारे में उतना नहीं सोचते जितना हमें बाकी सारी चीजों के बारे में सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम ये बातें बहुत बड़ी बड़ी करते हैं मैम, कि ऑडिटोरियम में बैठ करके गेस्ट लेक्चर्स होते हैं कि नेचर इज लाइक मदर इंडिया, ये वो। मैम हम भारत को अपना माँ बोलते हैं मैम, कि मदर इंडिया मैम, लाइक हम भारत माता बोलते हैं, बट हम उसकी केयर कितनी करते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं मैम? ऐसे लोग तो बोलने को गाय को भी माता बोलते हैं, बट आज भी हम सबको पता है कि क्या हाल होता है। अभी भी आप स्ट्रीट पे निकल जाओ, बहुत सारी गाय आपको देखने को मिल जाए। मैम ऐसे ही सेम चीज इसमें भी है, लोग बोलते हैं बस करते कुछ नहीं है। एंड वी डोंट वांट टू बी लाइक दैट मैम, वी शुड गो मैम, लाइक द नेक्स्ट जो मेरे से पहले बोल रही थी, राइट, कि उन्होंने बताया कि जाकर के एटलीस्ट एक प्लांट लगाओ, जो कि मैम बहुत सही बात है कि एटलीस्ट हमें प्लांट लगाने चाहिए जाकर के। मैं खुद बहुत प्लांटिंग, मेरे को प्लांटिंग बहुत पसंद है, मैं खुद जाके प्लांटिंग करता हूँ। अगर हम प्लांटिंग करते हैं तो मे बी हम अपने अर्थ को बचा सकते हैं। आज हमें इतना इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ने वाला है कि आज के टाइम पे हमें इफेक्ट पड़ेगा। इसका इफेक्ट शायद हमारी जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन होगी, शायद 100 साल बाद, 200 साल बाद हमारी जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन होगी उस पर इफेक्ट पड़ेगा मैम। ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीकेशन किसने नहीं सुना होगा मैम, कि कितना इफेक्ट हुआ था लास्ट ईयर। जो पोल्यूशन कम हुआ तो शायद वो सही हुआ, वो सिचुएशन उसकी सही हुई थी। क्या नाम है, मैंने न्यूज में देखा था और पढ़ा भी था कि ओजोन लेयर सही हो रहा है लास्ट ईयर की पॉपुलेशन कम होने की वजह से, पोल्यूशन कम होने की वजह से। और मैम पोल्यूशन के साथ साथ पॉपुलेशन भी उतनी ही बढ़ रही है, और जितनी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगा शायद उतना भी पोल्यूशन बढ़ेगा। या मैम, दैट्स इट, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Harsh. That was great. And yes, that's true. We cannot blame government for everything. I think we should be responsible enough to not act the stupid things like throwing masks on the streets and throwing plastics on the water and all. I think we should be responsible enough to safeguard the nature, because as you have said that we are not giving the importance what nature actually deserves. And this is our responsibility that we should not act stupid by throwing plastic bags in the water and throwing the mask here and there. This is really very harmful and it's increasing the pollution very much. So very well said, Harsh. Now I think each one of yours individual session has been done. So after the individual session, let's move on to the counter session. Now you guys have any question for anyone, or you would like to say anything, you're kindly welcome. Okay, Nidhi.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
Nidhi.
I have a question. Like, I want to share something. As Alpana said, like पहले जैसे कि मैंने मेंशन किया था, जो मैंने मेंशन किया था कि जो पोल्यूशन है एयर और वाटर, तो वो काफी ज्यादा डिप्लीट हो गया है। तो इट वाज ऑफ अबाउट 2020, क्योंकि तभी चीजें काफी ज्यादा, क्योंकि लोगों को नहीं पता था कि लॉकडाउन क्या होता है, हाउ दिस वर्क, एंड क्योंकि ऐसे कभी हुआ नहीं था, तो लोग काफी अवेयर हो गए इस चीज के लिए, इस चीज को ढंग से ले रहे थे कि हाँ ये है, हमें लेना चाहिए। तो हाँ, उस वजह से वाटर और एयर पोल्यूशन काफी हुआ था। एंड आई वांट टू शेयर एक्सपीरियंस एज एयर वाज सेम, कि सबने देखा क्लियर है, बट एज मैं हरिद्वार गई थी इन लाइक एंड ऑफ 2020, so I just saw the water. It was so clean, like pure crystal. It was so clean. So that's why I share that water was also cleaner and air was cleaner, as everyone was able to see. And decreasing happening, और हाँ, तो डिक्रीजिंग हमारा टॉपिक जरूर था, बट चीजें हमें मैं यही बताना चाहती थी जो मैंने चीजें देखी हैं एंड व्हाट आई हैव सीन, और जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस भी किया। And secondly, I want to share something, like everyone is saying about planting trees. So there is an application, if like everyone you should know, Ecosia, it's a application like a Google. गूगल सर्च इंजन है, वैसे ही इकोशिया भी आपका सर्च इंजन है। आप गूगल पे टाइप करोगे इकोशिया, ECOSIA, तो आपको वो ना वो भी एक तरह का सर्च इंजन है, वो आप अपने स्क्रीन सेवर या आप उसकी एप्लीकेशन डाल सकते हैं। दैट कंपनी अवेयर, लाइक आप 40 कोई भी आप 40 सर्चेस लिखो, 40 सर्चेस करो, दे विल प्लांट one tree. So it's a great initiative from them. So we should promote. If we are not doing, like we are saying ki we should plant trees, we should do this, so it's a better option to like promote these things. They can do, like जो कर रहे हैं उनको हम साथ दे सकते हैं if we are not able to do these things. So that's all I want to say. And अनुष्ठा ने बहुत सही बात कही थी। अनुष्ठा से दैट कि लाइफ आगे की बहुत डेंजर में है। सो या दैट्स ऑफ ट्रू, क्योंकि मैंने भी पहले यही चीज बताई थी कि अभी जिस तरह से गार्बेज इकट्ठा हो रहा है, वो आगे के लिए बहुत डेंजरस है. So I want to complete it. So thank you.
Thank you, Nidhi. And we told about Ecosia app. I'm hearing it for the first time. Thank you for sharing such a wonderful app. I must go through it and will tell you how's that. Thank you, Nidhi. Anyone else who want to say something or like to add upon? Anyone? Okay, so I think no one of you have any question or anything you want to say. Okay, so I think I should conclude the session now. So thank you guys for presenting the great thorough research materials and actively participating in this session. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Have a good day.